Oh, this is perfect. So I'm setting up my my new Cube Street EX. I was previously using the Micro Cube mostly, but well, for that one I used like a pencil case to make a cover that protects the knobs and extra electronic equipment I put on the amps. This is why I save like really well-made boxes. These aren't like flimsy. These are pretty thick cardstock boxes. And look at this. They're just like a perfect fit for going over the knobs of these of this amp. Got really lucky on that. So I'm just going to make it so it hinges out. And the benefit is I can leave these on and not worry about them getting whacked while getting it off and on the stage. Because otherwise I have to plug and unplug these all the time. But it's quicker to run in and off a stage and not have to do that. So if I could just flip a hinge down to protect those things, that'd be great. But also I plan on using this on the street quite a bit, so occasionally there's a bit of precipitation. And I have actually played this in light rain. But I'll feel a lot more comfortable if I've got the things covered up with a hinge. Then I can still have everything turned on and running. So, man, I got really lucky that these boxes just happen to fit. So, gonna do that. Alright, well, it's done for now. I've got the really nice high quality duct tape sealing these boxes. Got a little Velcro tab here to anchor it down. I used clear tape at the hinge so that it doesn't cover any of the labeling on the amp. Any other tape would have covered that, so yeah, it's on there pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. The only thing I might add is get some metal corner pieces, kind of like they do on the corners of amps and equipment sometimes. Get some metal pieces to put there. And then that's about it, but it's cool because now, yeah, I don't have to take these off every time, and I can have that all covered up if it's raining a little bit while I'm playing. Awesome. Alright, I think I'm about done with this lid here. I've done a couple more things. I added some metal corners as well as an overlapping edge here with a bit of insulation foam. That way it overlaps this, and if there is any dust or moisture, that should be less likely to fall into the crack between this and the edge. And but yeah, these metal corners should help it last a lot longer.